welcome back to Awesomeness. Today I'm playing Roblox. Today's just gonna be a tutorial where, so say you had a Roblox account and you lost the password. Now you have to log into a new account, and you had a whole bunch of other stuff on your other account. All you have to do is go on the. Oh my God, why am I doing it at the start? We're going to be doing it during the video. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna be in Adopt Me doing this stuff, but to get Robux, if you ever want some Robux, just go to the top right corner, and then there's the Google searchy thingy, bells, notifications, and then there's the thing in the middle. That is Robux. So before this video, I got some Robux, and the only thing I ever play is Adopt Me because I just love Adopt Me. It's my favorite thing. Okay. On the bottom is your inventory. It's the little pink circle with the backpack. That's your inventory. Everyone knows that right now. The only pet I have is an emu. I tried to name it Cutie, but it censored it out. So I just am happy that I'm going to be switching over this stuff because I was really sad that I couldn't go onto my other account. But I'm happy that this one is Awesomeness because it describes my channel and our channel, Scarlett's, Avery's, and mine. And it just makes me happy that I've always wanted a YouTube channel and I could play Roblox on it. I've always pretended and I wasn't even recording. So all that time I was not recording, and I don't have all the good stuff. Like my last account, I had the Mermaid Mansion, but now I don't. But that's okay because we're going to go get the other device and then switch the stuff over. So I'm about to go on Roblox, and we're gonna have to do fast because, like I said, it kicks me out. But there's so many buttons around, like the drop pet one, and drop pet that just drops your pet. And there's an arrow where you can create your own family. You can go to the shop. You can dress up you can dress up your thing. I have a summer outfit. It's so wait, what? Why is my hair like that? Alright, so this video is not supposed to be on this, but I just don't want my hair like that right now. Oh, that's pretty cute. Okay, so back to what the video is for. And you see how all the people have all the good stuff? I'm gonna be able to have that in a few minutes after I trade all my stuff over. My iPad is so slow. I'm just gonna pick Cutie up. Oh, wants to go camping, but I can't do that right now. Sorry, Cutie. Just waiting for my thing to load. It's always so slow. So I'm just gonna teleport. Now it needs some sleep. Well, I can't do that right now because I don't really want to. Okay, friends, and then I'm gonna. So my last account, I'm going to teleport to. Hello there. Okay. Trade. Accept. Okay. And then I'm just gonna put in my flying monkey, my albino monkey. Whoopsie. Okay. Now we're just gonna wait to accept it, and I don't know. Oh my God, I have no idea what I'm saying. Accept. Perfect. Now I'm gonna trade. First I'm trading all my pets over, and describing where all the stuff is, basically, there's the monkey update, and you can just press that, and then it says a whole bunch of things like the monkey fairground has come to Adoption Island. Teleport to the fairground, yes or no. Right now I'm going to press no. Accept. So I'm just doing all this so my new one is not very so it doesn't have all the little stuff and I don't have to start over again. Now I'm going to trade my 3 carriages. I can't trade the limo, which is sad, but I'll trade my car as well. And if you press the Roblox thing, there's this stuff, like you can invite friends to play. And you can leave the game, reset character, and resume game, and you can like request people as friends. I don't know why there's so many people on this server. Like there's more than 48, I feel like. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna trade one more time and see what else I have. Because I'm pretty sure I have more vehicles. Yep, I have more vehicles. Okay, perfect. Now that's all my vehicles, then I'm gonna move on to the next one. But while we're doing that, like I said, this is where you have all your money. You can buy more money with Robux, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do it a different way by just earning my money, or if I want to spend it, I can spend it. And like I said, here's the dress up place, and yeah, the dress up place, and I forgot. Yeah, it's the dress up place. You can create a family. I'm gonna invite to family, accept, okay. Now I can pick up the pet and stuff. And like I can teleport to her if I want, but like I'm already next to her, which is cute. But so if you want to drop your pet, just press drop pet, and all you have to do to pick up it is like if you go near to it, it says your username, then you press the arrow, the finger button, and then you can press pick up, and now you have your pet picked up. So now I'm going to trade, and then I'm going to put in the toys I have, all the good toys I have, all the toys I want to keep. I want the ice cream rather. I'm just gonna, give all my toys. And I don't know what else I had because I didn't have that much, but I did have some good stuff. And like I said, there's the jump button, and if you want to trade with someone, get close to them, press on them, and then there's trade or give item. Trade. I'm gonna wait, what happened? There we go. Alright, I don't know, I'm just gonna give all the hypno thingies and something else. I don't need most of this stuff. Oh, that's a clown umbrella. I want that. Because there's the monkey update and stuff. But right here on the bottom, this usually doesn't show up. It shows up on a phone if you're playing with a phone. But on the bottom left corner, there's like where all the tasks you have to do for your monkey or whatever you have, and then you can press on it and then navigate to your house or wherever you need to go. And yeah, then it's done. I'm gonna see what else I have, okay? Because I don't know what else I have. I have some food, pet wear, stores. I'm gonna trade my triple stroller, water. I don't know what else I have. I mean, I guess I can just leave that stuff on this account because that was pretty easy to get. I got the stuff in trades, and they're like usually just commons. Except I don't think there's anything else to trade, but I will check in my inventory. Toys, gifts, vehicles, stroller. So it seems the only thing I need to trade is the rest of my food. if you want to trade with someone, and then if you don't want to trade the other item, just press on it, and then it goes away. And to add things, you press the plus, and then add it. This is like one of my favorite games because it's like so much fun. Okay, so right now all my stuff is traded over, so I don't need to be in the server anymore. I guess on my iPad I don't need to be in the server, so I'm just gonna leave because I don't need to trade anything else. I swear, like nothing. I don't need to trade anything. So next I'm going to go to change house, and you know what I'm about to do, guys? Where is it? Millionaire Mansion. I want to get the Millionaire Mansion so bad because it comes with a luxury car. A luxury car. Alright, ready? I'm gonna get it. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so big. I'm gonna check in my inventory. Vehicles. It's huge. Oh my god. And it's so flipping fast. Okay, this is like a dream in a .me to have all this good stuff. Now I'm gonna go ahead inside and just maybe buy something else, like with my Robux. Alright, I cannot park a car. Oh my god, that's perfect. Perfect. Alright, now I'm gonna jump out, go inside my house, and I'm gonna get out a good pet. My fly pet, I guess. Come on, monkeys. Let's fly here. Oh my god, this is huge. And if you guys don't know, come all the way up here. And then there's just the room. This is like a shortcut. Oh my god, this is like amazing. Oh my god, it's huge. I never thought I'd have a house. I never thought I'd have this house, like this certain house. And like, here's the clothes. I mean, I don't really need that because I have a summer outfit and an ice outfit. Alright, that's just a... Oh, and then there's more rooms. Wait, wow. Oh my god, here's the movie theater. Oh my god, the movies. Oh my god, I can just see everything. I'm gonna turn it on. I don't know if I want people in my house. I'm just gonna, for now, I'm just gonna lock the door because I don't feel comfortable with people in my house. So right now I don't, but I would need some sleep. I'm just gonna go give it some sleep because they want some sleep. I forgot where the room was, and then it's hungry. Alright, here we go. Sleep, monkey. Alright, let's look for the food. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe, turn on new notifications. I don't know if that's possible or not. This is my favorite game. If you guys don't know, we can make more videos with me spending some more Robux because it's what I love to do.